So I'm at the airport about to pick Gibbo up, but he has no idea that I'm here. So I hear you spent a lot of time sitting on the tarmac.
What are you doing here?
I'm Kaylee and this is James. We bought a 40-year-old sailboat in October last year with a plan to sail north along the east coast of Australia. We spent the first few months sailing around Moreton Bay, where we tested the waters and got to know our new boat. But it wasn't all smooth sailing, as we discovered the dreaded diesel bug cappuccino, leaking hatches, and a badly corroded rudder post that forced us to haul out. As new boat owners, this wasn't exactly how we wanted to spend our time. We fixed, polished and anti-filled the boat before quitting our jobs and moving aboard in April. It's now the end of July and we have sailed nearly 1,000 nautical miles from Brisbane to Airlie Beach. Along the way, we've welcomed friends aboard, explored remote reefs and sailed alongside giants. It's been a pretty wild ride, with some of the best moments and also some of the toughest. But the journey's far from over and we'd love to take you along for the rest of the adventure. Hours into our first sail together again, and we've already broke something. The reefing line here, this yellow one, let go. The line let go when we jibed and the sail sort of bellied out and it broke our jackstays, which are here now on the deck. Not ideal, but not the end of the world. It's a pretty quick fix. Yeah, so mimic just the other side.
Yeah, and then it goes down the front of the mast, down to me. So once you pass it through there, then you just pull down with it as I'll lower you back down the mast.
Okay.
That's all you gotta do. Two things.
Two things, no problem. That was the quickest up the mast job ever. Took longer to get up the mast than it did to actually fix it. We've had a slight change of plan today because the weather is just so good. Instead of continuing north along the coast to Bowen, we're actually going to head directly north and head to an island called Holbourne Island. I've just looked up the history of this place and it is pretty interesting. So once we get there, I'll tell you a bit more about it. Holbourne Island might be one of the most beautiful places that we've visited so far, but this island is also home to a surprising history. One of the most tragic Australian shipwreck stories is that of the SS Gothenburg, which ran aground on Old Reef in 1875. The 22 survivors escaped in lifeboats and eventually made it ashore here on Holbourne Island. Convinced of their fate, the survivors carved their names into a turtle shell, but against all odds, they were eventually rescued. This story is a reminder of just how dangerous these waters can be. Wow! This place is amazing! Look at that! Look at this! Look at all this! It's been pretty slow going on our way to Cape Upstart today. The wind is finally just picking up. It's about 7 to 10 knots at the moment. The reason we're stopping at Cape Upstart is because Gibbo found a swimming pool and waterfall on Google Maps, and we're going to go see if we can try and find it. She's secure. What is that? You know your boyfriend's Australian when he just picks random things up off a beach and plays didgeridoo with them.
Really?
I don't think I've ever seen this amount of plastic pollution anywhere. Here in places where no one goes, and there's these beautiful secluded beaches just covered in plastic. It's really, really sad to see. I'm gonna fly the drone and see if we can find this watering hole. We found it. So we're gonna go hiking. We found water! It looks nice! Wow! What? So this is the lower level of the waterfall, so we're gonna climb up around the side and see if we can get to the top. Yeah, it's getting a bit technical. We should have brought that hard hat that was on the beach. Can you see anything?
Yeah, some of them.
Oh!
Sick! Waterfall.
Cool! It's so clear.
It's gonna be ice cold, isn't it?
There she is, the big blue.
That's really sweet.
It's nice, hey?
Actually.